In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new WordPress widgets section. We're going to walk through this step by step, so by the end, you'll be able to add widgets to your website with ease, no matter your previous experience level. Let's dive in first. Let's go to wordpress.com. Open up your favorite web browser and type in the URL. Once the site loads, you'll see a welcoming homepage. Now, to access your WordPress site, click on the login button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Once you click that, you'll be presented with multiple login options. The simplest and most efficient way is clicking on Continue with Google. This will streamline the login process by using your Google credentials, ensuring you don't have to remember an extra password. After you select this option, you'll see a list of Google accounts that are logged into your browser. Simply choose the account associated with your WordPress site. If you're already logged in with the correct account, you'll be redirected to your WordPress dashboard. Now, on the right panel of your screen, under Quick Links, you should see an option that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click on that. This step will take you to the back end of your WordPress site, where all the creative magic happens. Now click on your website's title. You're now in the space where you can make changes to your site. To add a widget, move to the middle section of your screen and click on the plus icon. This is your gateway to accessing a wide array of widgets that can enhance your site's functionality and aesthetic appeal. Once you click the plus icon, you'll notice a search bar appear. Here you can type in the name of the widget you'd like to add. As you type, WordPress will filter and display matching options based on your input. If you're not exactly sure of the widget's name, or if you'd like to explore your options, there's another method. On the top left corner of the editor, there's an Add button. Clicking this will open up the widget library where you can search for specific widgets using the top search bar, or simply browse through the extensive collection available. Finally, feel free to take your time and browse the widget library. This is where creativity and functionality meet. Whether you're looking for social media integrations, multimedia enhancements, or analytical tools, the perfect widget is just waiting to be found. And there you have it, a clear and easy way to navigate WordPress's new widgets section. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel confident in customizing your site. Thanks for watching and happy WordPressing!